This thing's going over. Alright, so today Cadence is gonna be doing my makeup. Cadence is my cousin. How old are you?
10.
She's my, what is she?
Am I actually her, would I be her
Second
cousin?
Yeah.
Okay. You learn something new every day. What kind of look are we doing today?
Neon crazy.
So Cadence just opened a unicorn piñata from Too Faced. There was a bunch of fun unicorn stuff in it. Want to hold them up? We have a rainbow eyeshadow palette. What do you have? Unicorn tears. And Cadence loves unicorns, so she's gonna do unicorn inspired makeup look today. I'm excited. Have you been practicing?
No. All over your face?
You're the makeup artist here. Whatever you think.
Oh.
Oh, that feels nice. Want me to wait until the end to look?
Yes.
Okay.
There we go.
Am I all blended? Now we're gonna go in with concealer. Okay, grab that thing with the funny sponge on the end. Yeah.
This.
Yeah. Wherever you think I need concealer. Oh, that's a new spot. What about my under eye bags? Is it dark under there?
Right here.
Yeah. My cousin Cadence is currently doing my makeup. We're filming. If you guys have any questions for her, snap me. Oh yeah, get in that nose. Snap me and we'll answer them in the video. Am I all blended?
Yes.
Okay. I don't want anything to move, so said it really well.
Okay.
I'm gonna wear this to dinner tonight.
You are?
We've got this unicorn bronzer, iridescent mystical bronzer it's called. All right, bronze me up. Wherever you think. Smells good.
I'm gonna put it a little bit under here so you can smell it.
You can pick, there's a bunch in there.
Is this a blush?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Blush. Okay.
Ooh, nice hand motion there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You can blend it out with this if you want to.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Whoa.
Hi, Cadence. Hi, Taylor.
Talking to you.
Cadence, what is your favorite kind of taco? I saw on your shirt you like tacos.
She knew.
Hi, Taylor.
You could only eat one taco for the rest of your life.
Beef taco. Lettuce.
Like the one your mom makes?
Yeah. And sour cream.
Yeah.
Little rainbow up there.
Are you interested in makeup or YouTube?
Yes.
Yes, both?
Yeah.
What do you watch on YouTube?
Slime videos.
Yeah, we were watching a bunch of slime videos the other day. Do you want to top it off with another highlight?
Yeah.
Emma asked if you wear makeup / do you love it?
Or mascara and lip gloss.
Yeah, you have mascara on right now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you look pretty. Okay, highlight me.
Okay. Ooh, it took over the blue.
Oh, you have to do my brows.
Yay.
This is a brow pencil.
Ooh. Never hold.
Give me some good looking brows. Is it coming off? Sometimes you have to press a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, that feels good.
Creeper. Yeah.
Jenna says, what do your friends think of your cousin being on YouTube? I don't think does anyone know?
No.
No. She also says, Cadence is such a pretty name. Fitting because she's super pretty. Oh, that's cute. What's your favorite thing about Taylor?
She's nice and she's fun to play with.
How do they look?
Good.
Okay, what's next?
Lipstick.
Ooh, that's cool.
Whoa. I might use this one.
Okay.
This one that goes over.
Yeah, I have a green and a purple lipstick. Or a pink lipstick.
The purple.
Purple. This one looks kind of cool. Or do you like this one?
Ooh, I like this one.
Okay.
Whoa.
Someone said, great job applying the foundation.
It's beautiful.
Tickles. Want me to press it together so I get some on the top?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Can I have the green?
Are you doing a different color on the top? Cool.
She's a small lip.
Okay, now.
Wait, I'm gonna
okay.
use this. That's pretty.
You ready for eyeshadow?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can use this thing to like prime my eyes, so you can just put it right on my eyelids and kind of blend it in.
Okay.
Coming out?
Yeah.
Do I need to plug my eyebrows?
You need what?
Plug my eyebrows?
No.
I don't? That's good.
I don't know what that means.
When there's like little hairs under here.
No, there's none.
Sweet. You want to use this for eyeshadow or you want a different palette?
That.
We're gonna try the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. Am I gonna be ready for tacos?
Yep.
Ninal says, what career do you want to have when you grow up?
I want to be a fashion designer.
Ooh, really?
Mhm.
What do you want to make?
Dresses. That's
Cool. Oh, you don't need any more? All right, let's do eyeliner.
I've never got to use one of those before. I'm so excited for this.
Go to town, girlfriend. Woo! Felt that wing. That felt right. I was like, you're a pro at this.
Ooh.
It's okay. We're gonna use the Bad Habits Aura palette, which I actually haven't tried yet. Whoa. That's a cool color. Oh, I get polka dots?
Ooh, that's really pretty.
Really?
You're done.
I'm done? Can I look?
You have to close your eyes and then look at the camera.
Okay.
Open.
I love the top lip. That's a new look. That's cool. Where's my mirror? Wow. Good job. I like that yellow. Ooh, the bottom lip looks cool. What do you think?
Amazeballs.
You did a good job on the highlight. Good job. High five. What is that? You know how to give a high five? Just like this. Good job. You want some lipstick? I look good. I like the
Which
brow
one?
bone highlight. You want red?
Yes.
You breathing? Okay, let it dry.
Ooh, I like that.
Let's put some. Can I put some highlighter on you?
Okay. Ooh.
Pretty. Push down. Close your mouth. Not with your Open. I think we're done. Are we done?
Yes.
Oh wait, should we show our shirts? We have matching taco shirts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Help me out here. Thumbs up. Don't forget to join the Bayrito family and subscribe. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. Anything you want to say to all your fans?
Hi.
I think you did a good job. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
Toodles. You should keep the lipstick out for tacos.
Totally.
Or wear the whole thing.
Totally. How much money would you have to be paid to wear this out?
Oh my god, a lot.
Good job.
What's your favorite part about it?
My favorite part? Lipstick.
There's a bunch
Or
of
the-
colors on the
Yeah,
ends.
I like the blue too. Which blue was that? That looks cool. Did you use a brush with that?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
About yours?
Mhm.
Probably that.
Lipstick?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was cool. A nice touch. Good job. Thanks.
I'm kind of nervous.
Not edit the whole video.
I can
afterwards
cut
before
anything
she-
out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not like
So-
this is on. It's not,
It's
like
not
this-
live or anything.
Oh.
Yeah.
We're not talking to anyone right now. It's just us.
Let me see.